As you can see, the bucket digs deep, ensuring a full load every time, which drastically improves our efficiency on site. This is where it all begins. The conveyor behind me brings the raw aggregate, the sand and gravel, directly from the quarry face up to our wash plant for processing.
The magnetic separation unit used powerful rollers to extract the dark iron oxide.
As you can see, the raw sand contains many impurities, but after processing, we achieve this high-quality, bright white silica.
As you can see in this transparent section, the purified silica is pneumatically transferred up these pipes at high velocity into the storage silos above. As you can see on the monitors, the sensor data updates constantly, ensuring our sand purity remains unmatched in the industry. As you can see behind me, the furnace reaches temperatures of 1500 degrees Celsius. This is crucial for the melting process to purify the metal. As you can see, the glass is moving from the refining end. It starts white hot and cools to this deep orange before it reaches the forming section. The molten glass essentially floats on the tin bath. Gravity pulls it down while the liquid tin provides a perfectly level surface. As the glass moves through the annealing process, the temperature gradually decreases, shifting from that bright orange you see at the entrance to a neutral tone further down. As you can see on the graph here, the annealing process requires a very gradual controlled cooling. We carefully monitor this downward curve. As you can see, the automated inspection confirms the panel exceeds our quality standards. This level of precision is why we lead the industry. You see this bubble? That's a critical defect. We place it here in the cullet bin. This glass is 100% recyclable, going straight back into the furnace batch. So that summarizes the industrial production phase. As you can see, the quality is unmatched. Now, let's explore the beauty of traditional craftsmanship. Watch the color right here. You want it bright yellow before we start shaping. Understood. It's glowing intensely. While the industrial float process allows for mass production, our handcrafted approach, centered here in the workshop, ensures every piece is unique. So that is the complete journey, from the raw sand right beneath our feet to the finished glass you see in the facility behind me.